Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to thread the needle in Super Starfish, only way. Start by approaching the gap at a steady angle of about 25 degrees. Aim to enter the gap when your speed is roughly 3.5 units per second. Hold left thrust for 1/4 of a second, then neutralize controls. Use micro corrections under 0.2 seconds to keep your trajectory centered. Practice approaches from 3 different spawn points to learn variability. Repeat this routine until you consistently clear the gap 10 times in a row. Now focus on control input timing and tiny camera adjustments while playing. Start each attempt with 60% thrust to stabilize vertical momentum quickly. At 0.15 seconds before the gap, tap up once and hold slight right. If you drift left, correct with 2 pixel nudges and 0.05 second taps. Watch your minimap for enemy blast windows and time your pass accordingly. Maintain 25% camera zoom to increase peripheral visibility without losing precision. Practice these steps in a 5-minute drill each session for retention. Common mistakes include entering too fast, overcorrecting, or ignoring enemy timing. If you enter too fast above 15 units, cut thrust to 40% immediately. Overcorrection shows as oscillation. Stop inputs for 1/4 of a second. When hit by blasts, use 2 quick reverse taps to regain center within 0.3 seconds. Advanced tweak. Reduce drag by adjusting fins to -2 degrees before attempts. Set a goal of 3 clean successes per 10 tries to measure improvement. Record runs and review slow motion at 16:9 playback to refine timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.